Muling pagbabalik dude sa ating channel for today's presentations on General Mathematics Quarter 1, Week 1, Last 3A about the operations on functions. And the operations na kailangan natin maintindihan in this video lesson is additions and subtractions. Here's the notations for functions operations. For additions, there's sum denoted as if plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. And for the subtractions, the difference of f and g of x is equivalently to f of x minus g of x. Meron tayong illustrative example here. Example number 1, let f of x is equal to x plus 2 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 4. Then find the sum functions and the difference functions. So let us take first the f plus g of x. Okay, ito yung solutions. Then definition of sum functions, and this notations is equivalently to f of x plus g of x. And the f of x is given, that is x plus 2. Okay, bring down x plus 2 plus g of x is x squared minus 4. Then plus, then write the x squared minus 4. Then get the sum x plus 2 plus x squared minus 4. Pero hindi natin maaaring mai-combine yung variable x and x squared. They are not the same term. So just copy x squared plus x, then add the constant 2 minus 4, that is negative 2. And the value of f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, for number 2, so f plus g of 4. So how to solve this? We can use the notations of f plus g of x. Yan ang ating results from number 1, x squared plus x minus 2. So maaari natin itong gamitin for the value of x, that is 4. Replace all x by 4. So magiging 4 squared plus 4 minus 2. Then simplify natin itong exponential 4, so we multiply by itself, that is 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Then 4 squared is 16, then 4 minus 2 is 2, then a plus g of 4. Okay, meron na tayong value nito, that is 18. For number 3, so we can use the definitions of the difference functions. So given the f of x and g of x, so f minus g of x. So we have the solutions here. The f minus g of x is equivalently to f of x minus g of x. So given ang ating functions here, f of x, that is x minus 2, x plus 2, then minus g of x, that is equivalently to x squared minus 4. Then copy x plus 2, then multiply the negative times x squared, that is negative x squared, then negative times negative, that is positive 4. Then combining like terms, we have the term by term analysis. So x minus x squared, so we cannot combine the two terms, so just copy negative x squared plus x. So maaari natin may combine yung 2 plus 4, that is 6. So the difference of two functions, f and g of x, is equal to negative x squared plus x plus 6. For number 4, so we have the value of x is 2. To simplify this notation, so maaari natin gamitin ang number 3, f minus g of x, that is equivalently to negative x squared plus x plus 6. And meron tayong value here, so x is 2. Then replace all x by 2. So magiging negative 2 squared plus 2 plus 6. Then simplify 2 squared, that is multiplied by itself. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then copy negative, then 2 squared is 4. Then 2 plus 6 is 8. Then a minus g of 2 is 4. For example number 2, so given the f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Then find the sum functions of f and g of x and the difference of f and g of x. Then let's take first the number 1. We can use the definitions of sum function, that is f of x plus g of x. And the f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1. Then add with the g of x, that is x squared plus 4. Then get the sum, then square root of x minus 1 plus x squared plus 4. So we cannot combine the three terms. Okay, you may arrange in a descending order. Then x squared plus square root of x minus 1 plus 4. For number 2, so we can use the definitions of the difference functions, and this is equivalently to f of x minus g of x, or subtract g of x from f of x. Then again, f of x is equal to square root of x minus 1 minus g of x. G of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Then copy square root of x minus 1, then negative multiplied by x squared is negative x squared, then negative times positive 4, that is negative 4. After simplifying the difference function, so we cannot combine the three terms. So the result is square root of x minus 1 minus x squared minus 4. And this ends up our presentations, and let us answer our last number 3 and perform addition and subtraction of functions. And our next presentation on multiplications and divisions of 2 or more functions. And make this channel as your home of learning. Thanks for watching.